Yes, hi, I'm Hart. I was in the pastorate in central Pennsylvania before I moved down here to Myrtle Beach. I've just recently have had some issues with arthritis in my shoulders. I had my both knees replaced actually about 10 years ago. One of my friends out of New York was a paraplegic, and I started to hear about stem cells back then, and I've been following it ever since. And in fact, I got a good book here that gave me a lot of good education, and I made it my mission to come to some of the local presentations like we had here today. And I will say that out of all the three that I've gone to with other particular physicians and people that are involved now in this particular niche of the healthcare industry, that this by far was the best educated seminar that I have gone to, and really thinking now that at my age particularly that this is the best option to do stem cell therapy regeneration versus having another operation. So if you are in your particular situations where you're opting to think about not having surgery, which is a lot more invasive, I would certainly recommend this therapy and this particular practice.